All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. We have to discuss some stuff. Of course, Jerome Powell came out today, talked about the Fed rate hike. They went up 75 points for you guys that gave us an answer. You were correct. I was thinking one whole point. He went with 75, or they did. Now, what does that mean for the markets? Of course, if you look at the traditional markets, Dow Jones is down 1.7%, down 500 points. The NASDAQ is down almost the same thing, 1.8 percentage point. Bitcoin is down about 3%. ETH is down 6%, which to us in crypto, that's a normal day, But if you looked at the charts after the announcements, there was a little bit of a raise up. Boom, tanked very, very hard, very, very fast. So clearly it did impact the markets. People are selling off, because the Fed is going to be continually hawkish. Now, to talk about that, within the rest of the year, they noted and they stated, hey, we are still going to increase another 1.25%. By the end of the year. They have 2 more meetings, so they will be doing that. So it will continue to go up, whether it's going to be 0.75 and then a 0.5 or whatever it is. It doesn't matter how they get there. We know that it's going to happen. They know that they are trying to bring down this interest rate because it is ridiculously high. Of course, the highest has been since the 80s, which is terrible. Their end goal is going to be their terminal rate of 4.6% in 2023. So now that is for the interest rate hikes. That's what they want to get it to get the inflation down to 2%. Now, 2% is not anytime soon because right now, of course, we know in July it was 6.3. They want to try to get it down to 5.4 by the end of the year was their number. So big numbers, throwing a lot at you right now, but 2% by 2025. 2025 is their goal to get this down to 2%. Like, that's a long-term play right now. So if you're thinking about this as an investor, like right now, things are going to go lower. If you can just apply what we just learned today, after this rate hike of 0.75, we have probably 2 more of these coming. 0.75 and a 0.5 or however they want to play it, doesn't matter, but it will happen 2 more times. Knowing that, it's a great time to just hang on. Just hang on for dear life, anticipating that the markets are going to go lower. Is it a recession? Well, in my opinion, absolutely yes. Unemployment rate, they're expecting to rise 4.4% from the current 3.7%. So they're anticipating that is going to rise, and that was the government's only way of saying, no, we're not in a recession now. It has nothing to do with the consecutive quarters being down for GDP, blah, blah, blah. Our unemployment's still okay. Wrong. Now is a different story because the unemployment rate is going to go up. People aren't freaking working. I don't even know where they are. Like, where are you people at? Are you social influencers now? Like, did you start a crypto YouTube channel? What the heck? Where do all these people go? But the inflation rate, impacting the markets, guys. Of course, it's much harder to buy things when the inflation is much higher. So the Fed's their only job is to get that down, is to get it down as best and as fast as they possibly can. And that's what they're doing. They're playing the long haul, 2025. They're trying to get it back down to 2% from the current 6.3%, which is the highest it has been since the 80s. Not good. Not good at all. So I guess let's switch back over to, is inflation transitory? Well, that's what they were saying last year, right? Of course, as we know now, it's not transitory. That was BS. And they totally just screwed us left and right. So are we in a recession? In my opinion, absolutely. I don't know who's saying no at this point. Like, if you're legit, if you're a legit dude and you're saying, no, still a bull market, bull run, not in a recession, man, you got to go get your brains checked or something. Maybe tighten up the screws in there or something like that because it's not good, okay? So, Jerome Powell coming out, saying these things, being awfully hawkish moving forward. Just be careful. If I can give you one piece of advice from the Crypto Boys, it is going to be very careful over the next really 4 or 5 months, okay? The next 3 or 4 months, I guess, supposedly, for the end of the year. So a lot to come. We will keep you updated. We will also keep you updated, of course, with Voyager. Colin put out a short today talking about how they delayed the date for the final auction of when you'll get all your information. They pushed it out to October, so a little bit longer than we anticipated. But really, I guess we did anticipate that. Chase had came on and say, hey, this thing can get pushed out. They're gonna give you a date just to give you a date, make you kind of happy, and they're just gonna kind of keep pushing down the road, get the best opportunity and possibility they possibly can to get you your money back. You know, with the with these rate hikes, it's just not looking better and better. However, we're gonna play it as positive as we possibly can. So, is it a great opportunity to accumulate? Coming up shortly, we're gonna say yes. You know, it is a great opportunity. So get your bags packed up and get ready to throw it into a project. Something that you like, something that you love. Hopefully that project that you put your money into in this deep, dark bear market goes down another 10, 20, 50%, whatever else it is. Hopefully that runs up in the next bull market for you and you become a millionaire, a billionaire. Whatever you're putting in, hopefully it 100x's for you and you can thank hopefully the YouTube channels that helped you out along the way, the crypto YouTube channels. Hopefully we're one of them. So, if you guys have stuck around for this entire video, you know what to do. We appreciate it here at the Crypto Boys. Make sure that you smash the like button. Just click the little button 1 time or 3 times or 5 times, as long as it's an odd number. We don't care. It helps out the algorithm for people actually seeing this video. Hopefully the content is valuable to you. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well. We put out videos all the time. Lives on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday every single week, no matter what, no matter where we're at or what we're doing. That always happens. And then these pop-up videos and other great videos coming out usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday, things like that. Sundays, we always have our 5 minutes and less wrap-ups as well. So, as always, thanks for rocking with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube. We're out.